push-ups, some more, need more.
I ain't been to the gym in like a week, nigga. It's not lined up, so we're hitting somewhere.
It is lined up. Push it.
There you go. Told you it was hitting, nigga. Hey, welcome back to the vlog. Me and this nigga Tony trying to
fuck some shit up, baby.
Make his little car fast. You only need one of them.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I'm hip to the game now, Richie.
Me and finally. Hey, my man was over here ratcheting the whole time.
Bruh. Alright, so now I just gotta yank this axle out.
Hey, but yeah, welcome back to the channel, man. We're trying to get...
Hey, give me that screwdriver, Richie.
Hey, Texas is hot, bruh. Like, I've been here like 5 minutes. And I lost like 10 pounds. For real. But yeah, like I said, welcome back to the vlog. Yeah, but my man got some nice cars, bro. I don't know, Tony about damn near 20 years. He got the RSX. He's got the Type R. He's got the Hatch. He got the Lexus. The Lexus was clean. I told him just like good shit. Really. Spin the axle. There you go.
Oh, there, though.
See, I gotta come over here and show this man a thing or two.
This nigga been in the gym, bro. That gym paying off, nigga.
I gotta come over here and show this man a thing or two.
Oh, nigga,
you feel me?
What's it?
My man been trying to take the axle out for 3 weeks. Every day he called.
Cap. Don't let this.
Every day he called me like, "Hey, Dre, can't get the axles out, pimp."
Don't let this nigga lie to y'all, man. Oh yeah, that's everything.
Shift linkage.
So just a shift linkage.
Yeah.
This mount, that mount, rear mount.
This wire right here. Speed sensor. Hey, where the B series shift linkage go, bro? On the bottom?
Yeah, shift linkage at the bottom.
This is the one you just gotta pop this. Let me get a
flathead.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the clip, but I thought something was under the clip.
There's a little the little pin you gotta push out.
Oh yeah, that's right.
My man been out the Honda game like.
I've been on the basic Honda shit. Niggas changing the oil and shit.
You ain't changed no damn oil, nigga. You lying. Cap.
On the RSX.
Cap.
Not on this.
What?
On the RSX, nigga.
Alright. Boom. We got that. How many 10 mil on the impact? A socket on the impact.
Oh, you want the socket?
Yeah. On the impact, my nigga.
Oh, you want it on the impact?
Did I not say that? Hey, y'all put in the comments did I say that or not?
But nigga,
hey,
you ain't speaking clearly.
Quit calling me such derogatory terms.
You ain't speaking clearly. You know I'm a hand tool guy.
No, when Tony says he's a hand tool guy, he sit here and watch you and hand you tools. That's what he do.
Hey, that's exactly what I'm trying to fucking do, nigga.
That nigga ain't done shit since I've been here. That nigga, I don't know how to do this, Richie. Come look at it. And now I'm under here doing it. That nigga's really a hand tool guy, nigga.
That's exactly what I be trying to do. Hand you a fucking tool, my nigga.
Hey, hand me a 12. My man is a hand tool guy.
Nigga, I'ma steal that shit too.
That nigga just stand there and hand you tools.
My hand tools, nigga. My hand tools, nigga. Exactly what I be trying to do.
Alright, hand me a little, you gonna need like a little punch. Maybe a Phillips.
I was looking for the punch too. I had tons of them hoes. I don't know what the fuck I did with them punches.
That memory card is gonna be full soon.
How big is the punch?
It could be like
Could be a small Allen wrench?
Not really small. But like
you push it through with something like this?
You're gonna need to be a little bit bigger. This is gonna go in the center of it. It'd have to be bigger.
Alright, I got it. I got a big one.
I forgot you took that leg off.
Huh?
So I forgot you took that leg off. Let me get that 10 mil. I think that's on the gun should be down. But I don't even know what size these are. Like all these little sizes. I know it's half, 3/8, quarter for the fit. I don't know the size of it. I be guessing. Hey, but fuck what Tony talking about. We ended up getting the motor out. He stood by and watched. Talking about he got a Hawks game to go review. So hey, if y'all don't know, man, this is We Talks Hawk TV. We Talk Hawks TV. He do podcast, TV, YouTube show.
Interactive fan channel.
Interactive fan channel for the Atlanta Hawks. I know don't nobody follow. I don't know who follows the Atlanta Hawks. Yeah. You gotta become a Bulls fan, pimp.
We'd be done if this nigga wasn't talking.
And we'd be done if this nigga was helping.
I did, just so y'all know, I did over half the fucking work.
Bro.
This nigga got here and he ain't had to do shit but take out 2 mounts and goddamn a tranny. That's all he doing right now. Pause.
Hey. Motherfucker, he been I can see in my text message thread 2.5 weeks to take the head off this thing.
No, it actually took me 1 day.
2.5 weeks. Spin it around.
I just been bullshitting.
But yeah, we ended up getting the motor out. What are you gonna do is
There's some piston rings coming.
yeah, you're gonna replace piston rings, new head gasket. You're gonna refresh the head with new valve springs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Matter
of fact, that shit should be here tomorrow.
I'll let him, or I'll keep the surprise of what he actually gonna do to the motor till we
clean it.
Yeah, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean the motor, transmission, and then that should be it. Oh, that's tight. The what?
I'm talking to myself about this.
Well, yeah. I'll get back to y'all once we get this transmission separated and we get it on the engine stand.